Welcome to the Duff Brewery. Now, I'm sure all of you have heard the rumors that a batch of Duff was contaminated with strychnine.
Strychnine? Right.
Well, that's news to me.
Are you sure? Well, everyone's talking about it. It was even on CNN last night.
CNN?
No, I didn't see
Oh.
it.
Well, it's not true. Let's go! Now, here's one of our favorite Duff beer commercials from the early 1950s.
Only Duff fills your Q zone with pure beer goodness. So drink up, and up, and up! Duff Beer, proud sponsors of Amos and Andy.
We're proud of all of our Duff commercials, but here's a very special one from 1960.
Well, I would suggest, Mr. Van Oker, that if you knew the president, that was probably just a facetious remark.
And now, a word from our sponsor.
I would like to take this opportunity to express my fondness for Duff Beer.
I'd also like to express my fondness for that particular beer.
A man never drank a Duff in his life.
And here we have Duff, Duff Light, and our newest flavor, Duff Dry. What does the future hold for Duff? Let's just say we've got a few ideas up our sleeve.
Like what?
I'd rather not get into it right now.
Why not?
All right. We don't have any ideas for the future. We got nothing. Happy?
No.
Now, this is the most important man on the tour. He's in charge of quality control.
Fine, mouse, rat, fine, syringe, fine, nose, fine.
Let me just say, you're doing a great job, Phil.
Hey, thanks a lot. That makes it all worthwhile.
Gummy beer. Hey, Barney, I think you've had enough.
Are you crazy? We still haven't tried raspberry Duff, lady Duff, tartar control Duff.
Barney, give me your keys. You're too drunk to drive.
I'm fine.
Okay? You leave me no option!
Ow! What was that for?
I'm trying to knock you out!
Ow! Cut it out! Ow! 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 All right, here, take the keys.
Pathetic. Let's settle this. Dante.